That Chihuahua's mad. It's mad. I do not own any of the content in this video. Ooh, what do you do? Wait. Like, what are you doing that? It's like, nope. Oh, look that. What am I doing with my life? Why did I waste my time making this video? Could be doing more fun things. I just skip. My Wi-Fi is terrible. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna look up another part of the video. There's a lot on here. Ooh, this one. Mash up zone. Subscribe to this channel. They will pull him to the ground. This is so funny. Next up. Is that seriously a hairdryer? Yeah. He's like, don't you mess with me. Don't you mess with me. Kill it with fire. Kill with fire. Scared of a turtle. No, don't come any closer to me. That turtle is fearless. My turtle normally just is scared. I don't know where it is right now, but it's here somewhere. So it's over at my other cat. Oh, another turtle. He's just like, carry me off to my bed. The turtle's just like, why am I paying? Am I getting paid to do this? It's like, don't torturing me, please. Promise I'll be good. Oof. Up. Up. Look at this guy's face in the background. Just like, what is going on? This Labrador knows how to do it. Holy. I do it. What are you gonna do? He's gonna shoot him. You shot him. finger gun animals. After I will show the how could this happen to me video. I really love. What did you do? Okay, I'm up. Is this really 1-1? Is this really a Neil and I like? It's what I like. This guy gets out of pretend. This it is. It's it. Okay. Here, I'll turn up the audio a little bit. Wait.
You've been a really bad bird. Michael, what have you done?
I heard you two were pretty close. I know your wife received $10,000 from Ike's business account.
That's hilarious. Nerf gun.
I prefer not to get your wife involved in our criminal investigation. Tell me the truth, we will prosecute.
Oh, okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I looked up dogs dabbing. I'm probably gonna lose like 20 million. I'm probably gonna lose like all my subscribers now, except for you, X-Man. You are very loyal. Good job. Also, everyone in my subscriber. Anyway, oh, I'll just set that right there. Anyway, who likes my channel, subscribe to X-Man to get more content from me and him. I know him. Okay, now, what is this? A dog dabbing to Panda. I'm scared. That's so cute. That sounds so wrong. That's so cute.
I ain't perfect, McCoy, but I don't deal drugs and I don't wash money. And you've got nothing to worry about. Yeah, right. Just like with this murder trial, huh? Roger was alive.
Look. The dog. The cat. No.
I followed the feds. You lied about your alibi. You refused to cooperate with the police warrants, meaning I had an attitude.
Yo. Oh crap, I almost fell.
Because I didn't roll over. You looked guilty on paper. You acted guilty in person.
Oh good. Okay, goodbye.